Ona thengia a Kenya gukengio ni kwiyonera na maitho a Kenya aria mahonete homa ya COVID-19 na baya aria marwarite ni akwahura kuona o uria kurakia noguo na mbeyo irathie na mbere kuongerereka hihi ni undu wa Kenya kwaga kurumirira motaro ma thirikari.
If you have one person affecting so many people, then you can understand that there is a very high chance that the person next to you has also been exposed. Keep your distance.
Kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24 namba ya arwaru guku bururi-ini ni ongererekeire na gukinya andu 81.
Over the last 24 hours, we have tested over 300 Kenyans. Out of those, 22 have been tested as positive. This is the largest number that we have received in a single day.
Thirikari yugite murimu uyu ni wambitie gutamba na njira nene guku bururi-ini na maundu maya kwiha thiku ciukite.
There are a lot of skeptics who even today doubt whether it is here. I would like to state very, very clearly that the disease is spreading widely in our society.
Arwaru 21 hari 22 aria manirirwo ni aria maigitwo keheri-ini ona gutuika kwina waingi aria maumirira maithimi ciao matari maranirirwo gukiririkana andu 2050 nio maigitwo keheri-ini na aria maumite mabururi ma nanja.
It is lucky that we have found the 21 people in quarantine, because by now the 21 would also have passed it on to other people.
Regarding the case of the clinical officer who is currently admitted at the isolation disease unit in Bagabi, yes, it is true that this healthcare worker attended to a patient who had traveled from Nigeria and later developed symptoms and was quickly screened and tested and of course turned out positive.
Na niguo kugitira a Kenya kumana na murimu uyu, thirikari ni yaniriire ati ni rathugunda gukinyukia makinya maruru ona makiria niguo kunyihanyihia ona kana kunina kaimana gutamba kwa homa ino.
If we do what we are supposed to do, lockdowns come because people are not doing what they are supposed to do. Because if you are keeping social distance, if you are keeping away the distance you are supposed to, then it will not be necessary. But it becomes necessary because that is not being done.
Thiku 19 kuma riria mundu wa mbere amenyekire ni arwarite COVID-19 no na koroni ahonete namba ya aria marwarite no kwambatira irambatira. Tariki 1 mweri wa kana o mwaka ukoragwo wi muthenya wa itheru thi yothe, no riu riboti ici ni ciarega itheru ona kana mitheko thutha wa thirikari kuga andu makiria 20 ni marwarite murimu wa COVID-19 na riu thirikari ikauga no mwaka o Mukenya aikare kuraihu mundu no ri ungi. Riboti ra Inooro TV gitagwo muitiriri Pawangari.